All right, here's an average value problem, okay? If f is an integrable function on a to b, its average value on a to b is 1 over b minus a, that gets us our kind of our average part, times the integral from a to b of f of x dx. And that'll give us some function at c. Some point c, we'll find the value for that, okay? So use this pattern to find the mean value of f of x equals 4 minus x squared on the interval from 0 to 3. Does f take on this value at some point on that interval? So what are we talking about? Well, we're talking about if a is equal to 0, b is equal to 3, we're talking about the integral of, we're talking about 1 over 3 minus 0 times the integral from 0 to 3 of 4 minus x squared dx. Okay? And so in order to work this out, there's a couple different ways that you can do it. I give you permission right now, I give you my blessing to plug in this guy into your calculator to get an answer. Okay? Plug that guy into your calculator to get an answer. We'll talk specifics later, exactly how to do this and all that. Okay? And when you plug that into your calculator, you're going to get 3. So I end up with 1 over 3 times 3. And that's going to be 1. So the question is, well, if we look at 4 minus x squared, so it's going to be something like a graph like this, okay, from 0 to 3, all right? Is there some place that our value, our f 4 minus x squared equals 1, okay, because that's our average mean right here. This is our average value right here. This is our mean value. So let's do that. We'll take 4 minus x squared equals 1. We want to know, where is this true? Subtract 4 from both sides, and then divide by your negative 1 so that x squared equals 3. What we're going to discover is that when x is equal to the plus or minus the square root of 3, it's equal, the function is equal to its mean value. All right? However, the interval that we're looking for goes from 0 to 3. So there's only one spot where this happens. When x is equal to radical 3, it's equal to its average value. In other words, 4 minus radical 3 squared is equal to 1, which is its average. And that's what we're trying to show.